Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Aziz. My number matric is 1095. Firstly, I want to introduce my group mate. First person is
Hi, my name is Nurul Atika Farhana binti Masri. My matric number is 1088.
and second person
Hi, my name is Nur Syahidah binti Kasim and my matric number is 1096.
So, we are from group 28, which is Hidden Digital Alam Clock.
Next is objective project. So, for our project, we focus on 3 objectives, which is the first one is to design, second to connect, and the last one to implement. After do a discussion together, we are very sure that our problem statement have 3, which is the first one, lack of monitoring, second, lack of exposure technology, third one is waste of movement.
Hello tuan, penjenayah telah ditangkap. Saya akan bawa dia ke balai polis dengan keadaan segera.
Okey, baiklah. Boleh mulakan senyatan sekarang. Saya akan pantau dari pejabat saya. Terima kasih.
Okey tuan, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum. Tuan ni penjenayah saya bawa masuk dalam. Terima kasih.
Functionality.
Senang kerja aku macam ni.
The end of gaming, so focus back on me. So for methodology, we choose continuous improvement cycle, which is consists of 4 types. The first one is identify, second plan, third execute and review. What is it mean is identify. Keep identify new skill to solve the coding. Plan, keep plan forget the success result. Execute Arduino coding. And the last one, review final design success. Potential, we choose 2, which is the first one is customer type. It is going to be a repeat business customer who like our design, which is they are interested on our project and will promote to others. Second one is profitability. Have an idea being kept by competitors and at those prices will be definitely earn a good margin. Last but not least, for SDG element, we have choose 2 elements for our project. The first one is element number 4 and the second one is element number 9. Goal for element number 4 is ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. For element number 9, the goal is build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, foster innovation.
Let them to come.